One West Michigan school district will go against the Kalamazoo County Health Department's order requiring masks. News 8's David Horak continues our team coverage in Climax.
Well, at their Board of Education meeting last night, Climax-Scotts Community Schools administrators decided to make masks highly recommended, not required, and to continue following this situation. Less than a week before students head back to class, those attending Climax-Scotts Community Schools will not be forced to wear a mask as far as the district is concerned. In a statement, administrators say, quote, "This is a difficult decision in an ever-changing environment. We appreciate the passionate opinions on both sides. We are currently in discussions with the Kalamazoo County Health Department." They explained the reasons behind the decision are current data, their proximity to Calhoun County, where they say the numbers are lower than Kalamazoo, and quote, how masks inhibit learning for young students. While this may be welcoming news to those against the mandate, Cooley Law School professor Brendan Beery says this defiance against the mandate in Kalamazoo County is actually against state law.
Public health official is higher than a public school district when it comes to these measures designed to curb an epidemic.
Michigan State Public Health Code Chapter 333, Section 2453 says, quote, if a local health officer determines that control of an epidemic is necessary to protect the public health, the local health officer may issue an emergency order to prohibit the gathering of people for any purpose and may establish procedures to be followed by persons, including a local governmental entity.
There is very little chance that a state court or a federal court is going to say that a school district can just do its own thing, given the express language of the statute.
That statute was used in a federal court ruling against Libertas Christian School, which was temporarily closed by the Ottawa County Health Department last October after refusing to comply with the local mask mandate. Given Climax-Scotts' decision, legal precedent may force a change in plans for this district.
Courts do not consider individual freedoms to be absolutes. And even if a court finds that you do have a certain freedom to do something, a low-level right or a fundamental right to do something, the government can overcome that by showing that it's doing something that is necessary to preserve your health.
Kalamazoo County Health Department Officer Jim Rutherford responded with this statement, which says, quote, the Kalamazoo County Health and Community Services Department is aware of the decision that Climax-Scotts came to regarding the mask mandate. We are currently in the process of discussing this issue with them. Now, we don't know exactly what is being discussed and what plans they are having moving forward, but they have to figure all of this out by Monday when students here head back to the classroom. We're in Climax. David Horak, News 8.